Welcome back to DefenseWebTV News, part of the Army Recognition Group, your trusted daily source for comprehensive global military coverage. Each day, we deliver the most significant defense stories supported by dynamic video reports spanning land, air, and naval operations. The UK has completed a new round of trials of its Dragonfire high-energy laser weapon, successfully shooting down fast unmanned drones at the MOD Hebrides range. These results mark a major step toward fielding the system on Royal British Navy's Type 45 destroyers from 2027, offering a radically cheaper way to counter large-scale air threats.
Recent tests at the Hebrides range pushed the UK's Dragonfire laser weapon into realistic combat-style conditions. Instead of controlled lab scenarios, the system had to hit remotely piloted aircraft flying up to 650 kilometers per hour at ranges where the targets sat beyond the horizon. Dragonfire completed the full kill chain, detecting, tracking, locking its beam, and holding it steady until each drone structure failed. Earlier trials had proven target tracking, and in early 2024, the destruction of a simpler aerial target. These latest firings expand Dragonfire's performance to faster drones and tougher engagement angles. Dragonfire combines a high-power laser, Leonardo's precision beam director optics, and QinetiQ's test expertise in a compact ship-ready turret. Fast steering mirrors, sensitive sensors, and advanced control algorithms keep the laser focused on a tiny spot despite atmospheric turbulence or ship movement. Because the weapon relies on pure light instead of explosives, each shot consumes only about 10 pounds worth of energy, compared with the six-figure cost of modern surface-to-air missiles. The Royal Navy sees Dragonfire not as a replacement, but as a complement to the Type 45 destroyers' air defense missiles. Missiles are expensive and limited in number, especially as global demand rises. A high-energy laser, by contrast, can engage multiple drones, small aircraft, or certain rockets in quick succession, as long as it has power and cooling. This preserves missile stocks for complex, long-range threats and boosts a ship's staying power during long deployments. The Hebrides campaign marks a major step toward turning Dragonfire from a tech demonstrator into what the ministry calls a minimum deployable capability. The maturity shown in these trials has accelerated its path to frontline integration. Once installed on a destroyer, Dragonfire will provide crucial insight for rolling directed energy weapons across the wider Royal Navy fleet.
The latest tests confirm that Dragonfire is transitioning from a research program to a practical air defense asset, capable of engaging high-speed drones at extremely low costs. As the Royal British Navy prepares for integration aboard frontline ships, the system points toward a future where lasers became a key component of the layered naval protection against emerging unmanned threats.